Who do you think is going to win?
Well, I'm thinking that right now it's a tie, and I'm not really sure who exactly is leading. If we consider what the CNN is telling us, we will think that Hillary will win, but we have to understand that there are a lot of people who are silent about their choices, and will see the ballot. Uh, it is most likely that Trump may possibly win because he represents the majority of people who understand that he's not a politician, and he is doing everything with the interest of the people, not with political reasons. So there is a high potential that people may vote for him, even if we don't know that people are actually willing to vote for him, because the polls are reflective of what people want to hear. But we really don't know the silent voters what they will come up with.
Now, suppose one of them wins. Do you think there could be some improvement of relations with Zimbabwe?
Um, that I don't think a win or lose it will affect Zimbabwean politics, because Zimbabwe is an independent country, and the elections in Zimbabwe are not influenced by the Western. Uh, they are pretty much independent, and if it was talking about Africa, maybe that would be different. But we're talking about what is happening here and what is happening in Zimbabwe. So that may potentially not have any difference or any change.
Are you a voter?
Am I a voter here?
Hmm.
No.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.